required to expand 2t minus 1, t minus 1, t minus 2. So hello guys, welcome. For those joining our live session, feel welcome, subscribe. So we want to do some series options here. So be with us until the end. So there's a simple question here. I'm being told to expand 2t minus 1, t minus 1, t minus 2. So I'll start by expanding this and this. 2t minus 1, t minus 1. Expanding it further, it is t cubed minus 2t, and then minus 1 minus t minus t. Minus 1 times minus 1 is positive 1. Expanding it further, I'll have 2t cubed minus 3t plus 1. I want to multiply it with t minus 2. So that means I'll take t multiplied by that. So it is a t multiplied by 2t cubed plus 1. Then minus 2 multiplied by again the whole of it. So it is 2t minus 3t plus 1. Well, let's join. Remember to subscribe, like, share. Minus plus t are expanded set. On the other side, negative by that, I'm going to have negative 2t cubed. Negative times negative, positive 6t. Negative 2 times positive is negative 2. So cutting like terms, now my like terms now are yes guys, join, subscribe, hit the button. So this is t power 2t power 4, and this is power 4. Negative the power minus 2t power, and this one minus 3t squared, and then t, and this is 60, 70. And then finally I'll have minus 2. So that is my expansion. Expansion of the equation. Guys, join, subscribe. Remember to like, share. Leave a comment. I'm seeing guys joining. Well, I have another problem here. I'm being told to simplify a trigonometric equation. One over cos squared x minus tan squared x. So guys, if you're asked to simplify this problem, then it is very easy. So this problem requires you to remember or recall that the cos squared of x add the sine squared of x should always give us 1. Then I'm going to use that relationship to simplify this equation. And also recall that when I have the tan of any value x is the same as the sine of that x over cos x. Guys, join, subscribe. Leave a comment. So, I know this sin x over cos x is the same as tan x. So I can replace it there. So it is 1 over cos squared x minus tan x is sin x over cos x. But remember my tan was squared, so that means I can square that. I can square it. So guys, I know if I square this, I'm going to have 1 over cos squared x minus sine squared x over cos squared x. I've tried expanding this, and this is what I'm having. So this one I can write it as a single fraction. Guys, join. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. So the LCM is 1, so I can write all of them under one fraction. Well, so I have 1 minus sine squared x over cos squared x. But I know that from sine squared x plus cos squared x is equals to 1, then 1 take it as cos squared 1 minus sine squared x is equals to, I want to write this as cos. So it is 1 minus sine squared x equals to cos x. Guys, need your support. Subscribe. So I'll write this one as cos squared x to represent this one all over cos squared x. Then finally, I'll end up with cos squared x over cos squared x. Then I leave my answer as 1. So the next one, I have been told another problem is find area. Find the area bounded by 1 equals to 4x squared is equals to 4x squared, and the lines and line x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 4. Guys, subscribe. So a problem like this, for us to simplify it, there are 2 ways of doing it. I can sketch it so that I know which particular area is required. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. So let me try sketching it. I want to see how that curve behaves. So if x is 0, then this is y-axis and this is x-axis. So if x is 0, automatically when I substitute here, y is also 0. When x is 1, if you square 1 is just 1. So let me see. Then my y let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is where that curve is. And when x is 2, so 2 squared is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Probably it's somewhere there. So this curve is behaving in that manner. How that curve is behaving, huh? But you've been told to find the area between line x is equals to 1. So that is my point. That is it. And x is equals to 4. So maybe this is 2, 3, and that is 4. So it is a given curve. So this is the required region. So it is from here going like that. Huh? Guys, we are doing well. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Remember to hit the like button. So let me start solving it by, I can say method 1. So this is, let me use integration method. Or rather, let me start with the trapezoidal method. Trapezoidal method. Subscribe, guys. So guys, welcome. So I was saying the trapezoidal rule, I had to try using trapezoidal rule to solve this. And under the rule, what I must know, I must have the h, the limits over the number of strips. I want to use at least 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I want to use 3 strips. So my h is the length of my bars, these ones. So when I do that, I'm going to take 4 minus 1 divided by 3, and my width from here to here, here to here, here to here will be 1. Then after doing my h, or guys, subscribe. Remember to like, share, leave a comment. I'm glad you're joining. So the formula saying that when I want to find area, then I take a half of that height, take the initial value of y. These are y1, y0, y1, y2, yn, plus yn, and then multiply by 2 the remaining y1, y2 up to. That is what the formula is saying. So what do I need to do in order to get the value of y? I'll use my equation y is equals to x squared and try finding the values of y. So let me see, if x is 1, x is 2, x is 3, x is 4, these are the values of x. I want to find the ordinates or the values of y. So when x is 1, when I put in this equation, it was 4x squared. So when x is 1, y is 4. X is 2, y is 16. X is 3, that is 3 squared is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. And when x is 4, that is 4 squared is 16. 16 by 6, 4. I have 64. So when I put that formula, guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. So that means area now becomes a half times h was 1 multiplied by the final value of y, which was 4, is 64. And then the remaining, multiply them by 2. So that is 2. What is remaining? 16 plus 36. Well, guys, subscribe. Leave a comment so that I know what you're thinking. So I have a half times 1 is just a half. Four. That is 52. Well, so area is equals to a half in bracket 62 plus, remember this 52, I need to multiply it by 2. So that is 68 plus 104. If you take 104, you add 68, you're going to get 2. $172 multiplied by a half. 172, if you try multiplying it by a half, I'm going to have here 9. And the 6. Square units. So I've managed to find the area using trapezoidal rule. Now let me find the area using integration method. So my equation was y is equals to 4x squared. And the boundaries were x is equals to 1 up to x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4. So integrating from 1 to 4 of 4x squared with respect to x, then I'm going to have 4 over 3 x cubed 4 to 1. Then I'll try substituting 4. So I'll have 4 in bracket 4 cubed all over 3 and subtract when I substitute 1, 4, 1 cubed over 3. So 4 cubed is 64. I know that 4 cubed is better. 4 cubed is 64. So if you take 64 by 4, you get 256 divided by 3 minus, this side I have 1 cubed is just 1. So it is 4 over 3. Adding them together, I'll have 252. Remember the denominator is the same. Huh? So wherever you're watching, remember to subscribe. So if I divide this one, I'm going to have my area as so that is 8. .84 square units. So you realize that using trapezoidal rule, we got our area as 96 square units. And now using the integration method, our answer is 84 square units. Well, you can be asked now to find what is the error, what is the percentage error when doing these calculations, percentage error. Remember, we have the actual value. Integration always gives us the actual value. And trapezoidal rule gives us an approximate value, approximate. So whenever you're asked to find the percentage error, then I know that the actual area now given by the integration method is 84. An approximate value or approximate area given by the trapezoidal rule was 96. So there's some error being created there. So I'll take the actual value, 96, subtract the actual area. You get that the error is now just 12. Huh? So that is my error arising from my calculation. So the percentage error now, I'm going to take that 12 over the actual, then you multiply by 100%. Guys, subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment. So this gives me, I know 2 goes here, 6. 6, 2 goes there, 42. 2 goes there, 3, and 2 goes there, 21. And then 3 into 21 is 7. So that is 1/7 times 100 times 100%. So dividing 100 by 7, I'll have 1. That is 14. 14 point, what about it? That is 2 to 20. Point something percent. Huh? So that is the error arising from my calculations. So well, I have another question here. I want to see if we can try it out, that we help each other. So the question is saying, I'm required to solve log 5 plus log 2x plus 10 minus 2 is equals to log x minus 4. So this is a question on logarithms, and let us see if we can tackle it in the simplest way possible. So I can decide to collect like terms, or before that, the bases are not given, so it is up to base 10, base 10, base 10. So my first, how do I write the value of 2 to be to base 10? So 2 can be written as log, I can write log 100, log 100 base 10. So I'm going to replace this one here, so that my equation now changes to log 5 plus log 2x plus 10 minus log 100 base 10. So 100 base 10 is just 2. Should be equals to log base 10 x minus 4. So the next step, I can try collecting like terms. So the like terms here, the ones with x, can bring them one side, the ones without x. So let me say, so log 5 base 10 minus log 100 base 10 should be equal to, if I take this on the other side, it's going to be log base 10 x minus 4 minus log base 10 2x plus 10. Well, so applying the law of logarithm that says if I have log a base b minus log maybe c base b, since the bases are the same, then these numbers be divided and be written as log a over c base b. So I want to apply that one here. So I'll have log base 10 5 over 100 should be equal to, try applying that on the other side. I'm going to have thank you Chidema Evelyn for the comment. Log base 10, so x minus 4 over 2x plus 10 . So I've just divided. So now next, since I have log base 10 on this side and log base 10 on this side, then they can cancel out. And then I'll remain with my answer as 5 over 100 should be equal to x minus 4 over 2x plus 10. If you're watching me for the first time, guys, remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment so that we grow together. And you can go through my videos. I have a playlist. Your favorite video is there. If you're watching this, don't leave without watching the playlist and subscribing, guys. So let's continue. So I'll cross multiply. If I cross multiply, I'll have 5 2x n is equals to 100 x minus 4 x minus 4. So that means I'll have 10x plus 50. 10x plus 50 should be equals to 100x minus 400. Next, I can collect like terms again. So these are x and these are 100x. 10x minus 100x is equals to negative 400 minus 50. So this is negative 90. X is equals to, guys, if you're joining, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. So that is 90x is equals to negative 450. Then Of course, I can divide by negative 90, divide by negative 90, and then I'll have x now as 5. The value of x as 5, which is the solution. So if I put here 5, then the equation will be complete. Equation will be complete. Well, the problem here that you are required to find the solution. I've been given to solve for x. Here, equation problem. I'm being told to solve if I have y over 6 minus 2x minus 3 over 5 should be equal to x. Oh, this is y. Should be equal to y minus 5 over 3. So it is a typical algebraic problem. So the first approach, I'll find the LCM. The LCM for one side, or write one side as a single fraction, So I know the LCM of this other side I have is maybe 30. So after finding the LCM, guys, continue joining. If you're joining me, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. You are an amazing team. So after finding the LCM, then I'll write this side as, so 35, 5 times y, I will have 5y minus 5 goes into 36 times 6 in bracket 2y minus 3. My aim is to write this side as a single fraction. So let's continue. That is 5y minus, if I open using this negative, I'm going to have minus 12y positive 9, 18, 6 times 3, and then there's a negative. Well, 5y minus 12y, of course I have negative 7, plus 18 over 30. What about the other side? The other side remains y minus 5 over 3, y minus 5 over 3, y minus 5 over 3. was y. I'm sorry, it was y. So up to this point, you can decide to either cross multiply this equation like this, and I'll have 3 in bracket negative 7y plus 18 should be equals to 30. Guys, if you're joining for the first time, subscribe. 30 y minus 5 so that is negative 21y plus 52 is equals to 30y minus that is 15, 150. Then up to that point, then I can decide again to collect like terms again. So I have minus 21y minus y is the same as on the other side I'll have negative 150 minus 54. If you're joining for the first time, subscribe. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. So this side I have minus 51y. That is minus 21 minus 30 should be equals to negative of 204 204. So I can divide like that, and now my y, value of y now becomes 204 divided by 51. As the value for y. Well, I have another problem here. So maybe I've been given this problem that I need to solve for y in this equation 8 raised to y plus 2 raised to 2y plus 3 is equals to 35. Is equals to 35. This one is also simple one. It involves indices. It also involves quadratic equation. So let us see. I can decide to write indices, I know 8 can be written as 2 power 3. Then I can replace it here to be 2 power 3y. Remember, this was 3. Plus, now I have 2 power 3y again. So this positive 3, I can decide to take it on the other side. So 35 minus 3. Of course, I'll have 2 power 3y plus 2 power 3y is equals to 32. Next. So since this and this is the same, I can let me see, let 2 raised to power 3y be any letter. And then my equation now changes to, thanks for joining, subscribe, leave a comment, support by subscribing, guys. So this is m plus m, since 2 power 3y is m, is equals to 32. M plus m is usually 2m, is equals to 32. So dividing by 2 by 2, m now becomes 16. But remember, I said 2 raised to 3y is equals to m. So it is equals to 16. So 16 can also be written as 2 raised to power 4. Then I can drop these bases and I have 3y is equals to 4. And you divide by 3 by 3. Now my value or final value of y is 4 over 3. So guys, you are an amazing group. You have come to the end of our live session. I hope you have learned. Don't forget to subscribe when you're watching this video. Please subscribe. Leave a comment. Share. And don't forget to watch my other videos. Thank you. And may our good God bless you.